Move there! Go pa doon! You have fun? Ma. You have fun?
Yeah.
You're learning how to swim by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, diba? You're not afraid na.
I'm going backwards.
Oh yeah, sure. Use your feet always.
Faster!
Wow, that's good. You're learning. See? Sometimes mama needs you to let go so you will learn, right?
Ako.
Oh.
Hi.
Oh, hi ka pa nalalaman. Diba? You're not afraid na, no? Now you're learning. Wow, ang galing na. You're moving your feet na. So you listen kay mama, no? Sometimes, mama has a very important purpose. That's why, iniiwanan ka ni mama minsan, di ba? As long as you are safe naman, oh, you have floater, or you're not afraid na. Oh, see? Oh, huh? Oh, you're learning how to wiggle-wiggle. Until such time, mahal, no need to use a floater na. You will learn na by yourself. You're gonna be like mama na. Oh, see? Yahoo! See? You're like swimming na. Go! Save fishy! Go! Go, move! Is it cold?
No, but
Karay-karay mo si Fishy, no? You're like walking. See, you're learning. Oopla! Oh.
Mama!
Ay ka!
Smile.
Abay! Dali yun!
Ga! Halika! Come, join! Halika! Lakad, holding hands. Yan, lakad.
Hi guys, I want to swim but
Alright.
it's night time. So I'm eating
Yan.
my hot dog with my cousin
Say
Kuya
jump!
Gab.
Wow! Wow!
Hi guys,
Wow.
that's my cousin Kuya Gab.
Oy, see? Oh, dito, Clea. Gab. Move, dito na, Clea. Baka mahulog ka dyan. Dumiretso ka pa. Climb yun na. Dito kayo, tagi-isa kayo ng pwesto. Dyan. Tagi-isa kayo dyan, okay? Wow!
Look at us, we join our hot dog. Our holiday for the
Hi,
kids
say
are
hi,
so
hi.
cute. Bye, it's dinner time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.